Welcome to Online Buying Implications with me, Sanusi from Talent Hive. So some of the implications of online buying actually, we have problem recognition. So if we're able to, identify problem, online and offline promotion, of course, this will help us understand it. Problem recognition is important. Information search. You look at, the information based on the available resources that you have at your disposal. You evaluate whatever you have gotten, make decision, then you buy. Then of course there are post-sale support. So problem recognition plus information search. This is something that could be done online and offline through online and offline promotion. Okay, so you can identify the problem that a particular product or service is going to help you solve. Okay, or it could be you searching for a particular product that will help you solve a particular problem or service. So all this information are accessible either online or offline. So therefore, your online and offline promotion has to be very effective, and you can only achieve the effectiveness by understanding the behaviors of the consumers. Now, information search, evaluation, decision making. You look at the site content. It means the website content should convey brand values, not directly trying to sell something. If you want to sell something to somebody, you should strategically show that person the value that he or she is going to get from the item, from whatever he's going to buy from you. What are the features and benefits related to audience of that particular product or service? This will help, in making an informed decision, right? So in terms of when the customer reaches a level of making the decision and he or she want to make purchase, you should ensure that the purchase is made easy and the process is optimized. And it has to be secure, and of course, aim for data capture. You should also aim for data capture. It means at a point that the customer is going to make their purchase, the purchase process should be easy and it should be secure. And also, for as a business, you should make sure that you have gotten the data of that particular customer. For example, you get the email, you get the first name, you get the address, and maybe phone number for retargeting. These are very important. Of course, after the purchase, what next? Post-sale support. There has to be confirmation emails and follow-up activity. If somebody make a purchase successfully in your place, then you should send that person, an email acknowledging the successful order. And also, you should follow up. You should actually strategically execute some follow-up activities, which will help you to maintain relationship with that particular customer, so that he or she might consider coming back to buy another thing from you. Now, based on this, I would like us to go through some platforms so that we can understand how the behavior of the customer is. So are you ready, Dorcas?
Sir?
Are you ready? I want to show you some platforms that will help you underscore studies on this. All right, so I believe you can see my screen.
Yeah, I can.
I'm searching for Google Consumer Barometer Internet. So Consumer Barometer is a very good tool built by Google, which will help you understand, how the internet usage is being metered, across the globe. All right. So you can look at it. The first thing you can see, the location is global, right? This is global report, not specifically Africa
Yes.
or Nigeria. So it's
Yes.
basically global. So a bigger, better barometer. This is based on 2015 data, and I believe it's a very dated data, but when you come to the consumer trend, sorry, let's just watch this video.
So is there sound on the video?
Okay. So you see, this is like an overview of the barometer, and you can see based on this, this is the percentage of internet users who go online more often via smartphone than computer/tablet. In Thailand, we have 70%, Malaysia 67, South Korea 60, Brazil 47, China 45, Argentina 36, Turkey 35, Italy 33. You see, and this data, as a digital marketer, I believe it has a lot of impact in your strategy and how you tend to execute, your promotions. And it's very, very important for you to do that. You can also see percentage of internet users who made a recent purchase online in US, UK, Sweden, Russia, Japan, Saudi Arabia, Brazil, and a couple of others. Percentage of internet users who have purchased product online from abroad. You can see them based on this country, UK, US, Ireland. So it's important to actually use this particular tool to understand, the behavior, of the customer. All right. So I hope this platform, you are going to find it very handy, and it's going to become, it should be your friend. It should be your friend, okay? Because it's going to help you a lot in making an informed decision about some of the strategy you are going to be proposing to your client or to yourself in terms of promoting your business. Okay, so this is like, yeah, basically this particular thing. So yes, you can also come back to thinkwithgoogle.com for you to look at some of the important stuff that are involved in marketing today. So marketing has been evolving from traditional to digital. Now it becomes automated based. Okay, so you can basically understand how the marketing strategies, how you can use artificial intelligence, how you can use app and mobile, data and measurement, retail and search. These are different ways that you can actually, write a fantastic strategy that you can implement and execute it that is going to help you. And you can also, the future of marketing, you can see, some of the things in creativity, digital transformation, diversity and inclusion, emerging technology, management and culture. All these are some of the things that is going to help you, as well as the tools you're going to use to understand how it is done. Find my audience. It is very, very important. For me, I'm going to give like shed more light on the tools, okay? Because that is what is going to help you implement a fantastic strategy, and you can always measure and remeasure. So this particular tool, Insight Finder, it helps you gather intent-based audience insight, okay? So if you want to use this particular tool, you come to this platform, our website for Google, and start using the Insight Finder, okay? So it's very important as a digital marketer to have your toolkit ready and available. Okay, so I will choose your Google account. I will use this old account I've been using for almost a decade, or more than a decade, so to say. Hello, Douglas, are we together, please?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, so it is currently in beta. This tool is currently in beta, so I believe we might have other tools to look at. Let's go back. There are other tools. Google Trends, Grow My Store. This is very important as well. How you can grow your business using this particular tool. So for example, this help you improve your digital window to the world, this particular platform. So it's important, like for example, if you want to try this, you have to enter the URL of the website of your business. I will try this as our website. This is Grow My Store. Please take note of the name of the tool we are using. It's helping you to get, get customers down to your store. How it works? Tell us about your business. My business sells online, my business sells in store only, my business sells online and in store. This is like the case. Tools up to 6 industries, computer, this and this. Are you following?
Hello, sir. I couldn't hear you again.
Okay, I said, are we together? Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you see this particular tool we're registering, I'm registering Talent Hype. It helps us get insight to help improve our online presence. And for that, we have to add some details below for a full report. So I would just like write that business name, Talent Hype. We're in Nigeria. Okay, I will use this guy. Use my Gmail account. So this platform, this tool is helping us build a report, right, based on what we have online. So let's wait for a few seconds so we can have a look at it and then see what the report is going to give us and possibly analyze the report. Okay, so in the interim, because I don't know, please, do you have any question or basically an observation based on the way I delivered the content? Is there anything you want to say before we get that report ready?
Sir, I did not get it.
Pardon?
I did not get it. I did not get how you got to this point.
Okay, how I got to where I am, right?
Yes, I'm confused. I got confused.
Okay, so I will show you step by step how to get that, and then possibly share the link. I will also share the link. The name of the tool is Grow My Store. Please, you can just jot it.
Okay. Grow My Store.
Grow My Store.
Okay.
Okay, so it's the website is growmystore.thinkwithgoogle.com. Let me share the link with you.
Okay.
Via the WhatsApp. Okay, so this is, I believe I've gotten, I just sent it.
On my WhatsApp, right?
Yes, please.
Okay.
So if you have a website or somebody have a website, you can help them like use this particular tool to grow their store. At least for now, you can do it for free. Just start using the tools and then be able to analyze the report, give some recommendations based on the data that this platform is generating. So it's taking a lot of time. So let's just go back to the presentation and continue. We'll get that properly. So what are the generic customer strategy? Basically, when we look at this particular thing, the essence of this particular activity is to understand, the availability of people in our region who are using internet and how they are using it and which time, what platform they are using to access internet. For example, you can understand based on the data available, the age of people who are browsing, using which particular tool, mobile phone, laptop, tablet, or they are using Google Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge, these are browsers, or they are using Bing, Google, or other search engines. This data will help you, have a very important and very well-tailored consumer profiling or consumer profile, what I call persona. Now, what are the strategies of getting the customers? There are processes of that, starting from acquisition, retention to development, buying process leading to first purchase. That is mostly how you acquire a customer, through your promotions. And then at the end of that, you ended up converting that, lead to a customer. And then if you get them, they are now being acquired. So how do you retain them? You retain them by promoting or follow-up activity, which will lead to repurchase, and then ensuring that they are satisfied and they become loyal. By becoming loyal, I mean that they are now ready to give you referral, so that they can always promote your product or service for you. Development, cross-selling, new and different products. You can actually do cross-sell. For example, if somebody buy a laptop, you can tend to say, okay, why not try this headphone? It's good, it's important. I mean, it's nice. You'll enjoy it, something like that. Upselling, same product but of higher value. Okay, that is upselling. So most companies focus on acquisition at the expense of retention and development, but existing customers are easier and cheaper to sell to, right? So it's important to understand the strategies of repurchase, satisfaction, and loyalty, cross-selling and upselling. And you should also develop some tailored strategy around this so you can have what is important. So based on this, I believe I don't want to give a lot of information on this particular lecture. I will advise we stop here so that tomorrow we start from 4 P's of marketing mix. That way, we'll have a better understanding of what we intend to achieve at the end of the day. So yes, basically we are stopping here. So if you have question, please